Hello guys, in this video we will discuss something very useful. Without us realizing it, in our daily life there are some habits that we can do to become smarter. Not only that, unconsciously there are some habits that we have already done in our day-to-day that can make us smarter. First, often asked questions. The enemy of intelligence is not lazy to learn, it is the question in our head about some things that we don't know the reason and the answer and curiosity but just ignored. When we often ask, it will train our mind to reset each question and its answer. This will make you smarter because of the lack of questions and increased knowledge. Second, make reading a daily routine. Reading can increase knowledge and it is clear that it can make you a smart person. Reading a lot makes you a knowledgeable person. Not only that, books, magazines or online information contain facts and information that we have not yet known. Another example, we can also learn about each other's issues through reading. Next, hang out with smarter people. Smart people have something interesting and useful to make a topic of conversation, as opposed to less intelligent people who like to talk about trivial and useless things. Besides that, you can also sharpen your mind and feed your brain with useful and good conversations. So, hanging out with them is one of the ways to raise your brain level to a higher level, and not to waste time on useless things. 4. Exercise your body. In honing your mind, don't forget and neglect your body. Remember that your body also needs to be observed and taken care of well. For example, diet to get an ideal body, exercise to get a fit body that can build a smart brain. 5. Train yourself to be more disciplined. Get a good night's sleep. Wake up early in the morning. Shower and eat at a controlled time. Take care of personal hygiene. Eat healthy food. This seems trivial and simple, but discipline makes you a smart and self-confident person. 6. Put yourself in a slightly anxious and fearful state. In a state of anxiety and fear, you can force yourself to think more openly and your brain can become more developed by solving the problems you face in a state of anxiety. For example, when you see a fire, will you think of a way to extinguish the fire rather than continue to spread, or take a shortcut to shout for help and the fire will become more intense? As a result, fear makes you a braver and smarter person. 7. Share your knowledge. When you share knowledge, which is repeated in your mouth will stick more strongly in your head and make it difficult to forget the knowledge. Sharing knowledge can also add to your knowledge when others respond or give opinions that differ from yours. Being a smart person is not easy, but if educated well, it will definitely bring results. There are many people who are smart since birth, but don't be sad and depressed because the back of the machete, if sharpened often, will still be sharp. Thank you for watching. That's all I'm sharing this time. Hope it's useful and see you in the next video.